Hey, what's up guys? So we've got another one of these Marvel rubber thingies, eraser thing, 3D puzzles. So we did get Peter Parker, pretty cool, in our last opening, and I already had these two, Groot and Falcon. But let's see who's inside here. Who are we gonna get? So we're halfway through the collection, and I don't know, it says 3+, so on the box as well, so you can buy them for your little kids. Where's the bit where you open it? Oh, there it is. Is that it? Why can't I open this thing? There we go. So again, opening the plastic. Okay, and the top comes flying off, and then we obviously, this one already come off, and like in the last one we get our propaganda, and not propaganda, it just tells us series 2, and then there's Hawkeye, Falcon, Black Panther, Peter Parker, Captain Marvel, and Groot. And in this one we have the Hawkeye. I wanted the Captain Marvel. So this one, unlike Peter Parker, comes in more than one or two pieces. Let's just drop him down there. So we have to put his feet, make sure it's the right way around. Yeah, you've got to like put his feet in like that, and then you just stick his neck in, and there we go, a little Hawkeye. So how cool is that? It's got a bit of fluff on his back of his head, and the word Marvel. Does everyone have Marvel on the back of the head? No, Peter Parker has it on his bum, Falcon has it on his wings, and Groot has it on his bum. So yeah, cool little thing. Oh, like you can see, does his hair come off? Oh look, I'm thinking, now why wasn't that just separate in the box? His hair comes off, so that means Peter Parker's one must come off as well. Yeah, so that's cool. So we can take maybe Hawkeye's hair, and yeah, Peter Parker's hair. Oh no, that would have been cool if we could have interchanged it, but we can't. Peter Parker's is just flat, Hawkeye's is like that. Peter Parker's got a knobbly head. Let's just stick that back on there. And actually, no, Falcon's got a bigger head than this one. Let's just put that back on. So we just need Captain Marvel and Black Panther. The Black Panther one is the one I really want. And obviously it's going to be a while now. So yeah guys, if you enjoy these little quick unboxing thingies of these little things, let me know and I'll do some more. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.